Hi children, Uma here. Hope you are safe and fine. Right. Today we are going to see Chemistry Chapter 6, Combustion and Flame, Part 3. Learning objective: to know about flame and its structure. Introduction. Do you know that everything that burns does not produce a flame? Only substances that vaporize burn with a flame. Kerosene rises up the wick of a stove and vaporizes before burning. The vapor burns with the flame. When a candle burns, hot molten wax rises up in the wick and vaporizes. The wax vapor burns with a flame. Charcoal does not vaporize and burns without a flame, producing a glow. When there is a sufficient supply of oxygen, the substances burn completely, producing a non-luminous or blue flame. You would have seen LPG burn with a blue flame. However, in an insufficient supply of oxygen, a flame of yellow color is obtained. This is because of the glowing of unburnt carbon atoms. Structure of a flame. Light a candle and observe its flame. You'll find that it is spindle shaped and has different colors in different regions. The flame has three main zones depending on the amount of air it receives. The zones have different colors. First one is non-luminous zone, or the zone of complete combustion is the hottest part of the candle flame. Because of adequate supply of oxygen, complete combustion occurs. Therefore, no residue is left on an object placed in this zone. The flame appears blue. It is the outermost zone of the flame. Second one is luminous zone, or the zone of incomplete combustion is moderately hot. The wax vapors do not burn completely as the supply of oxygen is inadequate. It leaves a black shoot or other residues on an object placed here. The carbon particles glow emitting a yellow light. It is the middle zone of the flame. Third one is dark zone, or the zone of no combustion is least hot. It covers the area surrounding the wick containing unburnt vapors produced by the melting of wax. Here, the wax vapors do not come in contact with oxygen, hence do not burn. It is the innermost zone of the flame. There is also a small region at the base of the wick where carbon monoxide burns with a blue color called blue zone. What happens to the wax when a candle burns? A candle has two parts. The wax, that is paraffin wax, that serves as a fuel. It is a hydrocarbon made from crude oil. Second one, the wick, made of a material that absorbs liquids such as water or molten wax. When a candle is lighted, the wax in and near the wick melts. The wick absorbs the liquid wax and pulls it upward. The heat of the flame vaporizes the wax. It is this wax vapor that burns. Here are the questions. So read these questions carefully and write your answers in an A4 sheet or in a separate notebook. Question number 1. Name the different zones of candle flame. Number 2. Your LPG gas stove at home is giving a yellow flame. What can this mean? Number 3. When a candle burns, is it possible to get the wax back? Number 4. Which zone is called zone of no combustion? And number 5. What is the another name of outermost zone of the flame? Thank you, children.